Grab any sewing pattern you currently have right now and let's walk through it step by step together in February. Now, you might be wondering, Abby, how are we going to walk through the pattern together if we have different patterns? There's actually a sewing pattern secret you need to know, and that is every single sewing pattern is used the exact same way when we get started, okay? When we find our size, when we pick the pattern, when we figure out how much fabric do we need, when we cut all the pieces out, when we get everything ready. All the steps are exactly the same for every single sewing pattern, and I want to prove it to you this February while we prep any pattern you want. So grab your pattern, I'll be using one of mine, and we're going to walk through all the prep steps together. Now, if you want to join this, all you need to do is follow this account, okay? I'm going to be posting one step every day here in February. I will be creating a playlist, so in case you miss a day, it'll be a little bit easier to catch up. And if you don't want to wait the whole month to get all the steps, you can put the word club below and I will send you a link to join my online club where I have all of these steps, this entire series already there for you in one place, and you get live support from me. So no matter how you want to join me, please do so we can finally understand how to use sewing patterns and you can start making clothes you love.